Fill up your pan. I kind of like to find an area where this gravel is loose. You'll find some of it's got tight rocks. Now, unfortunately, we're not going to be finding chunks of gold this big. We probably wouldn't do tours anymore, as you might imagine. So once you fill up your pan, the trick is now to take water. So you're going to fill your pan with water and just swirl it around. Now, you might be worried that your gold is falling out of your pan, but it's not. And that's because gold weighs 6 to 8 times everything else in here. So it's floating down to the bottom. So you just want to keep taking water and just swirling your pan around. Now I'm kind of rushing here. If I'm doing panning, I'll probably spend 3 to 5 minutes just getting these rocks out of the way. Your objective is to get down to about 2 tablespoons, and I'll cheat here. About 2 tablespoons worth of this dirt and rock, okay? Or the dirt and gravel. See, I got most of the big rocks out of the way. You're gonna have your best luck finding gold the more of these rocks you get out of your pan. So now is where we actually get to start looking for gold. I'm gonna use gravity like the miners did. So, I've got my little bit of dirt and gravel down here at the bottom, right? And I've got some water in my pan, and my pan is tilted. Now what I'm gonna do is just turn that. So now I've got my water at the bottom and dirt at the top, and we're gonna do what's called tailing. This is where you're gonna find gold. So I'm gonna take this water with my pan tilted and just very gently turn the water down. What it's doing is it's taking all the dirt and everything that's not gold down to the bottom. Now gold is very heavy. If I have gold in my pan, it will stick to it right here. Water can run over it most of the time without moving it. In fact, gold is kind of hard to get out of your pan. I usually end up throwing mine back in the stream for you guys because I don't have patience. So, we'll do this a few times and I'll kind of take a look here. We also have iron pyrite in the stream, and iron pyrite is fool's gold. It will trick you, but I have some of the real thing here in my pocket so you guys can pass it around and take a look. Real gold is flaky, it's tiny, it's going to be lumpy and bright yellow. Iron pyrite you can very easily pick up. If you ask me, is this gold? It's probably not. Gold is hard to get out of the pan because it sticks to it, okay? So again, it's all in the tailing, so you just want to tail that water around. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, you guys are free to go. I will be around to check on you here in just a minute.
Let me see.